Good afternoon, honored moderator and participant. My name is Ayu Unita from Syah Kuala University, Indonesia. This afternoon, I will present my research paper, The Role of Dividend Policy and Mediating the Effect of Free Cash Flow on the Value of Core Company in Indonesia. The outline of my presentation are: first, the background of research; second, the methodology; third, research and discussion; fourth, practical contribution; fifth, the conclusion. First, the background of research. The mining industry, especially coal mining, continue to play a vital role in Indonesia's energy sector. For the next 10 to 20 years, coal is expecting to remain the country's primary source of energy. This is not only because coal is relatively more affordable than alternative energy sources, but also because Indonesia possesses overflow coal reserves. This can be clearly seen from the following core production chart. As shown in the graph, over the past 10 years, Indonesia's core production has continued to grow steadily. Although there was a decline in 2020, like due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic and global economic slowdown, the overall trend remained upward. This growing trend in core production is closely tied to the financial performance and value of core company. Higher production offers a resource-graded profit, which can increase firm value by attracting more investor interest. Way to observe firm value is through its share price. Based on data from Finance 2024, 67% of core companies experienced an increase in share value over the past 5 years. 27% show a decrease and 7% remain unchanged. This supports the notion that an increase in share price is generally interpreted as a sign of growing firm value. Several factors can influence the value of core company. In the study focus on two financial variables: dividend policy and free cash flow. Dividend policy. CNBC Indonesia report that 5 coal companies were ranked among the top 10 higher dividend-paying companies in 2023. Indo Tambang Raya Mega topped the list in terms of dividend per share. In 2024, Baramuti Sukses Sarana Bukit Asam Indo Tambang Raya Mega distribute high dividend yield. High dividend payouts tend to increase investor confidence and positively impact firm value. Another factor that may affect firm value is free cash flow. PT Delta Dunia Makmur, which experienced a decline in free cash flow in mid-2024 due to large investment in renewable energy and strategic acquisition. Although this caused a temporary dip, these investments are aimed at increase future revenue and finally increase firm value. This study also addresses a research gap. Previous study has produced inconsistent findings about the relationship between free cash flow and firm value. Due to this inconsistent research, this study proposed dividend policy as a mediating variable to explore the relationship between free cash flow and firm value. Second, the methodology. This study aims to examine the role of dividend policy as a mediating variable in the relationship between free cash flow and firm value in the Indonesia coal sector from 2015 until 2024. The study is quantitative associative. The sampling method used was proportion sampling. The sample in the research are 15 core companies. The data used in this study are secondary data. They refer from financial statement and stock price movement of core company in Indonesia. Analysis was performed using FUs. The variable in this study, dependent variable, firm value are as measured by using Tolbin Q. The independent variable and free cash flow as measured using the free cash flow formula, and dividend policy as a mediating variable as measured by dividend per share. The result and discussion. Additional information: AKB presents free cash flow, KD present dividend policy, and MP present firm value. Let me begin with the first research finding, the effect of free cash flow on dividend policy. Based on research in table 4.4, this indicates that free cash flow has a positive and significant effect on dividend policy in coal company in Indonesia. Free cash flow refers to company ability to generate cash after covering all operating and capital expenditure. A positive value indicates that company has a excess fund that can be used for various purposes, including dividend distribution. In line with agency theory, when a company accumulates substantial free cash flow, shareholder expand management to distribute profit to shareholder. The results of this study also support free cash flow theory proposed by Jensen, which states that companies with higher free cash flow are more likely to distribute dividend to mitigate agency conflict. Next, we turn to the impact of free cash flow on firm value. According to the table 4.4, the free cash flow also have a positive and significant effect on firm value. High free cash flow signal operational efficiency and financial healthy. It allows company to pay off debt, invest in profitable, and give dividend. From an investor perspective, these surplus demonstrate cash management and long-term growth potential. Factor that can increase demand for the company's share and as a result increase market value. Free cash flow offer companies greater financial flexibility during uncertainty economic period. Reducing on external financing, thus firms with higher free cash flow are perceived are more valuable. Lastly, examine the influence of dividend policy on firm value. Table 4.4 show that dividend policy has a negative and significant effect of the value of coal company. Coal company require large capital investment to support exploration, production, and future growth. If too much profit allocated to dividend payment, it might limit the company's ability to reinvest in strategic project. This can be viewed negative by investor. Too much dividend payout can also signal a lack of attractive investment opportunity. This might reduce investor confidence, leads to a decline in stock price, and finally decline the company value. Next, the mediating effect. According to table 4.5, the research show that dividend policy significantly mediates the relationship between free cash flow and firm value. However, it is important to note that the direction of this mediation is negative. This suggests that when coal company with high free cash flow increase dividend payout, it can actually reduce firm value. This phenomena indicate that investor might prefer a company to allow surplus fund toward productive investment or long-term project that can generate greater future return. For practical contribution. The result of this study supports signal theory, which posits that free cash flow can serve as a financial indicator that enhance company value. Furthermore, the finding demonstrate and contribute to the theory that dividend policy can function as a mediating variable between free cash flow and firm value. This result help expand the literature on indirect influence mechanism in financial management study. And the conclusion, this study concludes that free cash flow has a positive and significant relationship with dividend policy and free cash flow also have a positive and significant effect firm value. Incorrect dividend policy negative and significant influence firm value. Moreover, dividend policy is shown to mediate a relationship between free cash flow and firm value. That's all of my presentation. Thank you.